Hi, and welcome again to Umbraco Tutorials. Today we are going to do part 23. The plan for today is to do a custom error pages. So we'll see how we can do that feature. I think it will give us a very nice front end or handling the error on the front end. We have, I think, in our list macros, and also we have the Umbraco forums. I think I'm gonna skip this two because they are they are similar what we have in version 8. You come back to the videos in version 8 and watch them. They are simple and nice. So the plan today is error pages. So let's go check quick demo. What is that Umbraco forums? Sorry, Umbraco error pages. So let's suppose here we are in our site and someone tried to write gibberish things here in the URL, and they will see straight away something says not found page. So how I can custom this page? How I can change this page? This page is, I think, it is the 404. So Umbraco they handle 404 or 500, or they have also the maintenance page. Today we'll play only with the 404 just to make it friendly UIs for the front end. But rather than we show this page, so we can show more stuff or something better we can customize by ourselves. So how we can do that one? The best approach, or the approach that suggested by Umbraco, to create a document type, we call it, let's suppose, it will be under the admin pages. Let's create a document template. We can call it error pages, okay? And we can say something called error. They have anything? Yeah, that's nice. So this error pages, because it will be built in an Umbraco, and we can show also as a type of page in the composition. Let's say it is page 2, and so we can give it title, and if there is anything we can do more here. Let's save it. That's nice, and let's add it under the home page 3. Sorry, well, not this one. It will be error page. So now we'll have document type with the template, and we can straight away edit it under the homepage content page, and we can customize the front end how we like. So let's save this one and check the rest. After we save this successfully, we can go now to the content, the homepage. Let's go create a new error page. So why I call it error pages? So you can call here, you can create multi-language error pages. We'll see what I mean that when we go to the app settings and how when we change the culture settings there. So let's call it error page. I'm leaving everything here. I don't need anything. Let's just publish it. So after we publish it, we can see it straight away. It's empty. Why? We need to clean the template that we have created here. Just remove this one, and we can create straight away something, maybe something simple. Let me just take the main template from here. Let's say I want this one. Let's say H1 404. Just simple things. So sure, you can customize this one. You can add search bar. You can add as much as you want in this page. Let's just make sure this page is working or no. And here, this one. So it should be something called, let's check it out again to the back office. And home, error page. Let's go to the error page, this one here. Should show us something simple. So that's it. Just we don't need to customize more than this. Just the purpose of this video, just to show you how you can enable it. So What we are going to do now, let's suppose I wrote like this, error URL or something by mistake, or someone tried to open URL does not exist or unpublish it or anything. So I want to forward this page, the Umbraco static page, to our page, to this one. So how we can do that one? We need to go to in the app settings. You can add it in the development, or you can add it straight away to the. I think this one better to be in the main file. So they said under the context, sorry, under the content, you have to add something called error. It will come straight away, error collection. So in this collection, you can add multi-collection. Why? Because in back we have something culture here, and this culture you can say English or Spanish or French. Depend on that, you can display the page, and you should create that page in the back office. So here, just you will use straight away the default one, the default culture. Here the main or the hard things to decide how I need to call that page. Do I need to call that page by ID or by the key content, which it is the GUID, or by xpath? Here, I will not say it back to you. You need to see the depend on your release. So how you are releasing? If you are doing that straight away to the cloud, or you are doing that to depend on the you are publishing to QA, and after that do pre-production and production. So each time when you're publishing, 100% this keys there will be changed, the ID and the key, or the content key. So you need something more resilient. So which it will be the content xpath. So the xpath will not change. The changing only will be only the name. So we can make sure always when we create the page, we know what's name we are adding. So here we have to add the alias for that error pages. We remember that together we created that alias for the page, and also I need to point to the node name that I have created on under the home. So it will be what we call it there. I think call it error dash page. That's everything we need here. We don't need to add anything more. But if I need more culture, I just create this one. I said I can change this culture depend on what I need, or depend on that page I created in here. So now let's try and run the project. Hopefully everything's okay here. Here we are. So as we said, if I add any URL does not exist, and the system will throw 404, straight away it will be forwarded to this page. You have to make sure this error pages, it's something will happen inside Umbraco, nothing on your server. What I mean with that, so we have many type of error, let's say, or issues happening while we are doing or deploying. So Umbraco should be up and running. You will see this error. Otherwise, the other errors you can handle them. You can handle them in your server, or you can even handle them in your code. It will be different situation. That will be you have to build your own layout with your own static file. Let's say it will be that one. So let's say I'm in different page here. I want to just go to this page. I'm still going to Umbraco, the old one. So let's go and make sure we are all okay here. So this is our default and error page, just to make sure have we add the correct name, or we have mistaken with the name. So let's go to error page. So that's the name what we give, error page. That's our node under the home page. I think we have published and saved it before already. Let's check the alias for the page. Error pages. Is the alias is correct? Let's go to the. This could happen, but just to make sure you are writing the right name for it. So let me just take this name here. And this error page should be fine here. Node name, I think only. node name, and it should be that's it. Let's run it again one more time. Here the site is running now. So the site is running okay, and let's try, let's say I want to go somewhere. That's it. So you can customize this page and add whatever you want here. Anything is not exist or 404, you will be straight away forwarded to this page. So let just me make sure you understand what I said there about the three types we have here. As I said, it's xpath we use now with the default culture. So I said we have to use or we have to take the alias name for the document type, which it was in here. We add together this one. This is the alias. We copy the alias from here, and also the name of that document type we have created, which is error page. That the one of the options, I think it's one of the best options. So the second option is the ID or content ID. You can get it for each page from here, which is this the ID. This can be changed easy when you jump from environment to environment. Is with also with the GeoID, the other one, it also can be changed. But you have the options. So you have three options. One would call it the content item GeoID, this one, and the second one is the xpath, what we use there, and the other one was the integer ID, which is this one. So these two, they can be changed easy, but that one will be better. But you have to make always sure that the error page name is correct. I think that's bring us to the end of this video. I hope this video is easy and simple, and you have learned something new, and you can customize your site with the error pages. That's it, and see you in the next video.